Site plans can help you identify key features on a work site. The first step is to orient yourself using true north. The north point is located on the site plan. You can identify true north on site using the geolocation function on your smartphone. Once you know where north is on the building site, orient your site plan to align the north point. You now can use your site plan to identify where to find key features on site. For example, a site plan will show existing entry points, existing nearby buildings, or features such as existing drains, trees, fences, or roads. Once you identify one of these features, you can use the site plan to find the location of new buildings or roads. You can also find the datum point using the site plan, the location of any power connections, or easements.